Bror Fredrik coming at you from the Bellagio on a Friday night, a sweltering Friday night. It is 107 degrees at 10 o'clock at night. Got my water, just finished up a live stream, not on purpose. It was kind of an accident because my other phone overheated that I was streaming with. It was so hot, but we gave it our best, so I figured I would follow that up with a video walk. And I'm gonna go across the bridge, across the strip, and down to Planet Hollywood where I'm parked, and I'm gonna take you along with me. We'll see what we see, we'll see what we can get into, and hopefully the glorious 4K holds up in this ridiculously stupid heat. I love you guys for sticking around, and I'm gonna invite you to like, share, subscribe, and especially hit that bell button like this, bong, to get notified when I do this again. Let's do it.
First. Look at the amount of people in town. This is nuts. It's like one of the hottest weekends this year. I think it is the hottest weekend this year. Everyone decided to come. Hello, ladies. Alright. Ready? Let's do this. Water. I still don't get, I said this during the live stream, I still don't get bringing infants and toddlers to Vegas. I just don't get it. Low energy, I must have low energy. I couldn't move that damn thing. It's got a bird's eye view up here. Oh, what a cute dog. My dog used to bring his stuffed animals everywhere too. There was all sorts of strip performers in front of the fountains. They did away with that and they all came back. You could tell by all the foot traffic down there. There's like choke points. I had to keep my my thumbs on my wallet and my other phone. You never know in those crowds. The Bowie sign is still under construction. There's more construction here. What is this? Did they fill them with water? No. I didn't bring my pole with me. Otherwise I'd give you some aerial always get out. When I say it's hot, it is hot. That's why I haven't been live streaming during the day. Because if my phone overheated in the 107 at night, it's definitely not going to last during the day. Vegas, baby.
Buy one, get one free on these guys.
I felt I was being followed, but it was just her. She looked harmless.
It's the majority of it.
Let's do some rock climbing. How are these people wearing the thing over their face? In this heat. Or in general.
I didn't even see it well.
Nice to see the crowd. Nothing say no.
What?
There's probably pre-shutdown levels of foot traffic. They go to Deuce. That's an experience. You know, you think it's just for transportation or a cheap form of getting around town. It's entertainment. You should get on the Deuce. It's like $8. But on there, you might want to put the thing over the face and use the hand sanitizer or whatever. But it goes from downtown all the way to the Vegas sign. And it's entertaining AF for $8. Well, for $8, you could go on it as many times as you want over the course of 24 hours. Definitely entertaining. You get a little local flavor, you get a little crazy, you get a little people watching in, one of my favorite things.
Call your dad?
Let me give you some views. Blue, white, and red. Everyone thinks that's red, white, and blue, like the American colors, but that's actually the French colors, because it's blue, white, and red. They go to Beer Park. They got their music cranking, otherwise I'd go up there, give you a tour. Then I'll have to mute it and blah, blah, blah.
It's like
Much cooler on this side of the street. I don't know why. Uh-oh. Firing up the phone. Let's see if I can give you some views. There we go. Cut out this way. Into the street we go. Paris sign looking sexy as ever. They got a mariachi band, a full-blown band across the street. Oh, I'm being the guy that I hate. I parked over here and I was cursing the people. Get out of the freaking street! I gotta do a live stream. And here I am doing it myself. Alright, here we go. We're going. Metro's finest right there. $4.20 AF over here. I was gonna take a walk with Planet. I was gonna say Planet Fitness, Planet Hollywood while we're here. This is where I park. Some old ladies in purple. Give them credit for staying out in the heat. And the phone held up. It's a freaking miracle. Now, let's try not to touch any doorknobs. Can we do it? Can we do it? Yes. Thank you. Good man. Woo. Oh, it's nice and cool in here. We are in Planet Hollywood. Gordon's doing some business. Not a fan. If you dig him, that's cool. When's the last time any of you stayed at Planet Hollywood? Let me know in the comments. I haven't stayed in here in years. I think I'm gonna flip around the camera in a minute and talk to you. Whoa, it's loud in here. Well, I made it through the gauntlet of all that music at Planet Hollywood. I got a video, look down below. I got a video walkthrough. Did a few lives in there already. But on weekends, they absolutely blast the music. So I'm gonna head back to my car. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me. I'm trying to not trip over my feet, you know what I'm saying? And if you like to support the channel, you can do that with Patreon, get a channel membership, or click on any links in the description below. One of my new channel partners, Ancient Treasures. Got my Mjolnir, and I got my Athelstan Cross. Pretty freaking sexy, huh? I know you like it. I know you want one. Link in the description. And don't forget my channel partner, Olight, the best damn tactical EDC flashlight carry gear known to man. And I love you guys. Can't wait to see you again. And I'm going to drop the 9% word of the day. This corner? No, I think it's this corner. Yeah, this corner. Bam. That'll let me know that you stuck around to the very end, and that helps the channel out tremendously. And on that note, Bror Fredrik out.